In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily resize photo on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then choose a photo that you want to resize. I'm just gonna pick that one, and now all we have to do is just tap where it says edit and then tap at that crop icon. And now we can resize that photo simply by dragging these handles or edges. So in that way we can resize it manually, or we can tap at that icon and then we'll be able to choose some of that presets like square, wallpaper, 9x16, 4x5 and all that other different presets. Also, you can choose orientation. You can switch it from vertical to landscape, just like that. And once you've done with that, just don't forget to hit at done to save the changes. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.